Everyone can see you also, it is already given.
11. And their measure is 3 and 5.
Together, everyone please draw line also. Do your activity with her also. Everyone please draw 2 line segments.
Second step, construct 2 angles.
At this time, you can construct by using protractor. Later on, you can use compass.
Construct 2 angles equal. First of all, angle QBC equals to, what is this? 60 degrees. 60. And angle PCB equals to 40 degrees. Similar also, angle SLM equals to 60 degree and angle RML equals to 40 degree. Third step,
Everyone do it in your copy, I will check. Just I am checking each and every one copy. So please group together.
third step, measure and find the angle. First of all, we find the angle, and second, we are going to find the ratio of sides of the triangles. First of all, we have given angle B equals to angle M, that angle B equals to angle L, that is 60 degree, and angle S equals to angle M, that is 40 degree.
This is by construction, no?
Yes, this is by construction.
You can write there.
So angle A equals to angle O. That is what? Someone tell me the answer. T. What? Yeah. How you can find the angle from a triangle? Yeah. Sum of angles of a triangle. It means angles of property. Fourth step, हम लोग ने सारे एंगल्स को इक्वल दिखा दिए, ठीक है? मतलब कि एंगल बी एंगल एल के इक्वल है, एंगल सी एंगल एम के इक्वल है, और एंगल ए जो है वो एंगल ओ के इक्वल है. अब हम लोग साइड का रेशियो इक्वल दिखाएंगे. तो फोर्थ स्टेप होगा, एंड हमारे पास पहले से ही हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिए थे कि एक कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने BC जो है वो 3 के इक्वल दिखाया था, 3 सेंटीमीटर, और LM वो 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम इन दोनों का रेशियो पहले निकालेंगे क्योंकि सारे एंगल्स हमने इक्वल दिखा दिए हैं. BC equals to LM, that is 3 centimeter by 5 centimeter. That is around 0.6 centimeter. Can anyone answer? 2 by 5 centimeter. What is 3 by 5 centimeter? 3 by 5. That is 0.6. And हमने इन दोनों पे रेडिएशन
AC, no, I think Samira is good. Ratio is simply correct from it will be 0.6, but it is not correct because let us see. Here is 3 by 5, here also 3 by 5. But see, if both the angles are equal, then opposite sides angles are different. So it may be some different number. So that the ratio should be similar and so everyone just tell me what will be the value of that ratio in simplified form. Do it and then one more ratio right there. What will be the ratio of AC by OM in simplified form? 0.6. Okay, right.
and what is the value of ratio PV by RC? It is RL. Can anyone answer? It is, yeah, it is 0.6. So,
Somebody instead of writing PB in the band AB and OL because that is representing rays and A is the point of intersection